Hi, my name is Jake Longenbach, Vice President of Western Lehigh Services and Western Lehigh Transport. We are a commercial and residential design build, maintenance, grass cutting, snow plowing, commercial snow removal, and transport company here in the Lehigh Valley. My father started the business in 1990. He started the business as a residential design build company, and then I came back and started working with them in 2015. That's when we started diversifying into other sectors of work to grow the business. The business has been part of a lot of cool different projects over the years. We've done some really cool crazy pool projects with swim up bars and tubular enclosed slides and multiple waterfalls into the pool, and it's really cool to see those projects come from the design phase to the completion phase. And on the commercial side of things, we get to do some cool projects on the turnpike with our transport division. We get to do a lot of cool equipment moves within the valley, big quarry and agricultural equipment that we move. And we get to be part of some pretty big winter events when it's snowing and we're plowing. It's just cool to be out there and helping the valley keep moving and keep the things safe and active for our customers. Western Lehigh started working with Nutropoli Bank over 30 years ago through a family friend who brought us into the bank and allowed us to grow with the bank. Every time we've come to Nutropoli with a request for our equipment purchase, Nutropoli has always made the numbers work for us to allow us to purchase the piece of equipment that we needed. Now we use Nutropoli for a number of our banking needs. Our company over the past 18 months has experienced some check fraud and check washing. Nutropoli was able to get us set up with positive pay, and it has alleviated a lot of stress internally. Nutropoli is watching the checks that are being cashed and also watching our accounts as much as we are. And in 2022, we bought a new piece of property, and we are starting to move forward with the land development phase to start building a new headquarters. We're excited about that, and that's one thing that Nutropoli will be there. It's hard to operate out of 4 different locations because it creates a lot of inefficiencies. So it has been one of our goals over the past 5 years to try and find a new location that we can operate the business at one location to get everything together to be a little bit more efficient from an operation standpoint. Nutropoli Bank has been great to us over the past 30 years. Their customer service has been outstanding. They always make us feel like we're their top priority. I would recommend anybody who's looking for a fresh set of eyes on their finances. Nutropoli Bank has been top-notch, and their customer service has been excellent for Western Lehigh.